It is buzzing, right? It's a lot of energy here.
We're actually enjoying the event tonight. It's going very good. It's very busy, lots of vibe.
We're having a great time at ILSC. We have tons of students coming here to see us and to investigate what the opportunities are for their higher education here in Canada. Tons of interest, tons of good attitude and good questions. So we're very, very happy to be here.
I think these kinds of events are good for a school to attend because we get quality students that have the experience of a language school and the experience of Canada before they come to our institution, so that's really nice.
And they're always so professional, so helpful, they are very knowledgeable, and it's very easy to work with them. They know a lot about universities, colleges and higher education in Canada.